out here at the ranch with all these cows. Moo moo. And today my plan is to get this trailer unloaded and start setting up track signs. The goal here is to mark off all these areas with their respected track portion name. So let's go in order. We got TrailMaster Trailhead, Builds and Turnstile, Sherwood Forest Part 1, because there is a 2. Straight up Mega Moto Mountain, then Sherwood Forest Part 2. All the way down to the Up Buttercup, it's always a doozy. Juggernaut Junction, on the Juggernaut. Cars and Cameras Corridor, of course it'll be fine. Bolt Boulevard, after the Bolt go-kart. Rascal Ravine, also known as Death Valley. Rockwood Ridge, sponsored by my man Jose down the Rockwood go-karts. We got New Hogland, which is one of my favorites. Of course we end up at Petey's Pit Lane, sponsored by Printed Threads. Alright, let's get the steak and a little bacon.
What's going on, everybody? GPS180 Practice Day. We got people coming in already. Who is this?
It's where I'm at. I'm that big box. I just really like keeping it on. What the? Yeah.
What you working on over here? Placing the rear brake.
What's up?
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. You guys doing all right today?
Yeah. How many more signs you got?
I got 4 more signs to put up. I broke the odes. An ode,
Broke?
This is an ode to the odes. Oh no, I got an issue. The odes was sputtering on me.
Which one's the ode? The 4-wheel or the 4-person one?
The 2.
Okay. What's his name was on it yesterday? Taylor.
What? What do you mean he was on it? As in he fixed it?
Yeah, he was riding around.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So.
He ain't gonna say nothing?
Alright. So what have you done today so far?
Today or yesterday? Well, for all week or all month.
Yeah. We go over everything.
So today, I finished off staking the last bits of our track. Race off.
Okay.
So now everyone knows where they're at. I've been pushing caution tape where there's deadly treacherous areas, because I feel like every year I come back, it gets scary. I mean, that's not ridiculous. Every single year, I feel like this track gets more and more treacherous. I don't know if I just become a year older, a year wiser, but it seems like it keeps getting harder and harder. That's what she said. It's scary. Maybe I'm just getting older, but it's scarier. So I'm trying to caution tape them. And Bernie and I are now going to go out. We're going to cone it just to make sure people know left or right. And throw flags down. Make sure everyone stays alive.
Feeling like here until the end. I won't let you off my side. We both know I won't go, I won't stop until you make me go. You're playing with my every move.
What up?
Just get me off the floor.
You see they got the
Pick me up, I beg you. I beg you. Go. You're playing with my every move. Just kick me off the floor. Pick me up, I beg you. I beg you.
We are at the GPS180 practice day. It is a little dry, a little hot out here, but it's a good time, great turnout. We basically use this as a work day where we go through and we stake out all the track course names and make sure we put up caution tape. And yeah, let people just have a crack at it at the track, see how they do.
You had a pretty busy week, right?
Yeah, I was pretty busy this week. All right, Mike, what are we doing?
We're golfing. Awesome.
It's huge.